Most people think Windows 11 Copilot is just a boring chatbot. They are wrong. It's actually a secret weapon sitting right on your taskbar that can control your PC, summarize your messy documents, and even write your emails while you grab a coffee. If you're still clicking through 10 menus to change a setting or reading 20-page PDFs manually, you're working too hard. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Copilot to automate your life. No fluff, just straight to the point AI power moves. Let's dive in. Power move number 1, System Control. Stop hunting for settings in the control panel. Just ask for it. Type Turn on Dark Mode or Start a focus session for 20 minutes. Watch it happen instantly. Or need to troubleshoot? Type, My audio isn't working. Copilot will launch the specific troubleshooter for you. It's like having a personal IT assistant. Instead of Googling how to do blah blah blah, just tell Copilot to do it. Now let's talk productivity. We all have that one long document we don't want to read. Here's the trick. Open a 50-page PDF in Edge, hit the Copilot icon, and type, Summarize this into 5 bullet points. Or need to send a professional email to your boss? Tell Copilot, write a polite email asking for a project update, but make it sound urgent yet professional. Don't like the tone? Just type, make it shorter, or add more humor. It's all about the follow-up prompt. Copilot isn't just for text, it has DALL-E 3 built in. Need a custom icon for a folder or a thumbnail for a presentation? Type, generate a minimalist 3D icon of a futuristic house in a forest. Boom! Instant assets for your projects. If you're a coder or a student, ask it to explain this Python script, or write a batch file to clean my temp folders. It's incredibly accurate for daily Windows scripts. This is the feature nobody uses. See that little screenshot icon in the chat box? Take a snippet of anything on your screen, an error code, a graph, or even a picture of a recipe. Ask Copilot, explain this, or convert this image text into a table. This is a game changer for data entry. Windows 11 Copilot is evolving every single week. The more you talk to it like a human, the better it gets. So which one of these features are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you save even 5 minutes of your day, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 pro tips.